In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a form in Microsoft Forms. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
Begin by opening your web browser and going to the Microsoft Office online service. When you arrive at the home page, you will see an option to sign in. It is important to sign in using the appropriate credentials associated with your Microsoft account. Signing in ensures that you can access the services and forms you have created. After you have successfully signed in to the online Microsoft 365 environment, the next step is to navigate to Microsoft Forms. Microsoft Forms is the tool that allows you to create and manage forms, surveys, and quizzes easily. To locate this service, use the search or navigation options provided on the Microsoft Office online homepage until you see the link or icon for Microsoft Forms, then click on it. Your screen will now display the Microsoft Forms dashboard where you can review and manage all of your forms. Once you are on the Microsoft Forms page, you need to access the section that shows all of your created forms. Look for the option labelled My Form. Clicking this option will bring up a list of forms you have worked on. This list provides an overview of your forms, making it simple to identify the one you wish to delete. In this tutorial, the focus remains on one form that you have selected from your collection. When you have identified the form you no longer need, click on the form to open it. You should now be in the detailed view of the selected form where you can see its title, questions, and settings. To begin the deletion process, look for a control element represented by 3 dots. This icon or button is typically found within the user interface near the form details. Click on this 3-dot option to reveal a list of additional actions that you can take with the form. These options are intended to give you more control over how you manage your form, including editing, sharing, and deleting. Once you have clicked the 3 dots, a menu will appear with several choices. Among these, locate the option to delete the form. Selecting the delete option is the final confirmation step toward removing the form from your account. Clicking delete will prompt a confirmation request to ensure that you really wish to proceed with the removal. At this point, carefully review the confirmation prompt before proceeding and then confirm that you want to delete the form. Once confirmed, Microsoft Forms will remove the selected form and it will no longer be available in your list of forms. Following these steps will result in the deletion of the form within Microsoft Forms. This process is designed to be quick and efficient, ensuring that you are never stuck with outdated or unwanted forms. The tutorial demonstrates a smooth transition between logging into the online platform, navigating to Microsoft Forms, selecting the appropriate section for your forms, and finally executing the deletion command. By following these instructions carefully, you can manage your forms effectively and keep your workspace organized at all times. Enjoy the benefits of a clutter-free online presence with your Microsoft Forms account.